Teacher Auni here. So today we'll be learning a new subject, which is quantifying in mathematics. How do we quantify? In today's topic, we learn about a little bit and a lot. So a little bit and a lot. Let's get started. So to start, we need to have two places. So one stool for a little bit and one stool to sort a lot. Next, we also need our examples, our ingredients. So prepare the same thing but in two different quantity. A little bit of colored pencil, a lot of colored pencil, and prepare different sets of these things. And then how do we start? Let's start with one example. Alright, you can show the children. Look, I have a lot of stickers and I also have a little bit of sticker. Can you sort a little bit, a lot? Good job! You sort a little bit of sticker and a lot of sticker in their places. You will get one. Next, let's practice more. Now that we have a little bit on this and a lot on this, can you sort and match to the correct stool for these two cubes? Which one is a lot? Uh-oh! Let's try again. Good job! A little bit of blocks and a lot of blocks. Here you go. Yeah. You want more? I have macaroni. Which one is a lot and which one is a little bit? Good job! Let's have a ring and a ball. Good job! Next one, I have pencil colors. Uh-oh, let's try again. Good job! You sort into the right one. Let's have two rings. Wow! You get your reward. Now let's do the last one. I have a lot of snacks. And I also have a little bit of snacks. Can you sort and match to the correct stool? Wow! Great job! You sorted the snacks! Here you go, your reward.